say that first component is real freedom in the assessment of a person's advantages, individual differences in the ability to transform resources into valuable activities, a multivariate nature of activities giving rise to happiness, a balance of materialistic, that means consumerism, and the non-materialistic factors in evaluating human welfare, and concern for the distributions of opportunities within the society. So this is Amartya Sen, these 5 components. He said that if these 5 points can be fulfilled, then then the human community would be flourishing. So these are the components according to him for women capability approaches. The second one I'm talking the Nasubam, 10 list of capability. She enlarged her component to 10 point. She say that life, it should be a life, not about the what is called the economic fulfillment or freedom. And it is about life, about his or her life to be completely flourishing, independent, and bodily health. Should be capable of fulfilling his health, and bodily integrity in the society, and senses, imaginations and thoughts. He should be capable to sense to his senses, imaginations and thoughts, and he should have emotions, freely express his emotions, not someone to be just subdue him, subordinate him, or pressure him to know. He or she should be free to express his emotion, and practical reason. If anything happened to her life, there should be some practical reasons. And affiliation, he should be, if she wants to affiliate with any kinds of agencies, organizations, or society, community events, so he or she should be free to do that. And other species, also if has autonomy to her to deal with other species and play and control over one's environment. So these 10 approaches, she said that these are essential for capabilities, human capability development. So if we can ensure these 10 things, then the real capability will happen in people's life. Otherwise, it will be an incomplete human program. So this is my first part to present. So, my second, my presentation, second part on advantages of microcredit lending program and the human capability approach for women's poverty reduction and increased human rights in Bangladesh. So, I'm attached to Social Economic Center, University of Toronto, and this topic second part is about compare and contrast two approaches of human capability approaches that I mentioned, the Amartya Sen and Nasubam. These two approaches, mainly these two people are talking about it. And then I'm going to discuss the alternative approaches, women development, and Bangladesh Grameen Bank. They also have an approaches that helps marginalized women to develop their human rights in Bangladesh, and then at the end I will talk about the value propositions of microcredit programs for women human rights development. You know that Nasubam, Amartya Sen and Nasubam, these two people actually raise this human capability approach first for money in the literature. So Nasubam, however, Nasubam does not endorse the agency of well-being. She talks about individual development. If it is there, then it is. But which is distinct from Shen advocates. Shen actually talks about inclusions of people in the society that can help them to flourish there. If they are not, if they are excluded from any program, in events, in the policy, in the budget, then they will not be able to develop that capability. So, but although Shen promotes both individual and institutional development for human capabilities development, however, both are academicians. They the theories they are not practicing that. Yes, we do this in certain community and see what the. So they are both academicians. So literature on the capability approach has been growing exponentially in recent years. Debates on capability approach, number one, the capability approach is too individualistic, debate number one, and also they say that it does not consider individuals as part of the social environment and connected to others. And in that we find the Nasubam capability approach, and instead the capability approach works on with a notion of automized individuals. Individuals are responsible. Individual development can give everything to society. But yes, if the society is not enhancing, if society is not favorable to develop, to flourishing their capability, then some places they are going to start. So the second debate is that the capability approach does not pay sufficient attention to growth. The third one says the capability approach does not pay sufficient attention to social structure. It is actually indeed Rouf-Grameen. She said that capability approach does not pay attention much more on social structure. The social structure, if we do not able to change the social structure, these people will not be able to flourish themselves, will not be independent, and they will not be able to develop their human rights development. So, you know that there are different approaches, women human rights development or women development or women empowerment. One approach, the WIB approach, they said women should be included, would be included in the business. If they could be the equivalent actor in the society, then the other development will happen or will come automatically. But women and development approach, another approach, they said no. Women, if you want to develop women development, there need to be, women should include it in the different planning, in the planning process, in the development process, in the, there should be the women development policy should be streamlined. The state policy, the state budget, the state program should be specifically developed for women, then women development will come. It is about the integrated development. And GAD, gender and development approaches, they really talks about gender inequality, equity issues, wages, equity issues, family inequalities. So the gender inequality, it is not biological thing. It is a social construction. Society itself make the men and women